Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Ink Tank Wireless 410 series. I have HP Ink Tank Wireless 415, and now I'm gonna show you how to print using this printer remotely. For example, you are riding in the car to your office or to your home, and you need to print the document when you are in the ride, and you need to go home, take your printed documents and go away from the home to work on for another deals. So you need to make it remotely. So how to do it? Using only internet connection. So you need to enable HP web services. To do it, open HP empt server, empt web server. So to do it, you need to open your empt web server. So in your web browser, just enter the IP of your printer, and then open here web services, wait a while, and great. And here, as you can see, we have web services set up. So click continue, we need to set up it. I have read and accepted terms. I want to install printer updates automatically and enable web service. You need to enable this feature, automatically printer updates, if you want to use wireless, not wireless, but remote printing. So click next. Enabling web services. This process might take several minutes, so wait a while. Great, the web services account must be activated at HP Connected. HP Connected will be open in browser window, so I have activated my printer at HP Connected, click OK. HP ePrint has been enabled. So, great, as you can see here, lamp between at the right of this HP web services button is lighting in blue. Oh gosh, it needs a paper. I don't know why, but it needs a paper, maybe for information print. So we'll try it. I don't know what this printer wants to print, but we will check. Oh, okay. So here I have greetings of enabling HP printer, and here I have I will not show you all address. Now I have email address of my HP printer. So now I can send from anywhere, just email on this email address. It's only your email address. You can't change it. You can't change this email address. It's your address for the years, and your password from web services setup. So using this email address, you can just send an email with PDF, with Word or Excel document, or just text document, or even image, and your printer automatically will print your sent document. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.